I wish that people knew that trial lawyers are there to protect their rights. And so I wish they knew that we were here to help them when they're really at their lowest.
I came to the law because I ultimately wanted to have a voice. I think that this world can be better. I think institutions can do better.
If it wasn't for the plaintiff lawyers who are bringing these lawsuits and representing individuals who've been injured, then the corporations would just continue to put their profits over the people and the safety of the people. And we've seen that countless times.
My favorite thing about what I do is to be able to help people. So while I was president of our National Trial Lawyers Association, which is called the American Association for Justice, I had a very large focus on protecting women or individuals really from sexual assault predators. And so we were able to work on legislation that eventually got signed into law that prevents anyone from forcing a sexual assault victim into forced arbitration. And that is now national law, and I'm so proud of the work that I did along with many of my clients who came and testified before Congress to make sure that that legislation passed.
There's one case that I started working on pretty quickly after I joined LBK, and I was working with 4 clients, 4 women who had been sexually assaulted at a massage therapy location by the same perpetrator. These survivors have to speak to attorneys of people that are representing institutions where this occurred, that allowed for this to occur several times to several women. It's traumatizing.
The average consumer doesn't stand a chance against a multi-billion-dollar insurance company who has unlimited funds to hire the best lawyers, an army of lawyers. And so being able to level the playing field for my clients is truly it's as meaningful as it gets in terms of the work that we get to do on their behalf.
The importance of having a civil justice system that sets us apart from any other country is one that is worth fighting for, and one that will continue on as long as our profession exists and we continue to seek justice.
I think you really have to love the people you represent. You have to love what we stand for and what we ultimately do, because only then are you truly all in. Only then can you really understand your client's loss. Only then can you really put the fight and resources and true energy into going up against some of the wealthiest corporations in the world. You have to have it in your heart.
My daughters inspire me every day. They're just these innocent little children who have no cares in the world, and I want them to have that as long as possible, and I want to be able to make this world as good of a place as it possibly can be, and I will continue to work for that.